your view on the asset allocation that should be there for someone who's retired and who is looking at beating the inflation levels?
So, friends, I think there is a huge big myth that asset allocation is fixed and standard formula for a specific class of people. I think that's not correct. I think we have to understand when you are planning your investment, you must understand what is your need, because every single person's need is different, whether he is on a retirement space or where he is in an investable initial stage of investment cycle, young, or he is in middle ages kind of a person about 45 to 50 years who is going to go on a retirement stage. Why I'm saying that, and I will give you an example. A person whose revenue generation are good, who has got enough amount of avenues to generate revenue and constantly adding money to the kitty of his, and he's been able to manage his lifestyle, present lifestyle. Okay, my plan for and my asset allocation plan for that particular person is going to be different than the person who has accumulated as a service oriented guy, created a wealth in whatever way. Obviously, he has not done planning. Now he wants to go for a planning. He would like to understand this is the total overall kitty, and that kitty should be self-sufficient and suffice to maintain my lifestyle. And this is the kind of my lifestyle is. So I am expecting that kitty should deliver to maintain my lifestyle. Point number one. At the same time, it can go on for next few years. That's the second question. Based on that, the planning will be done. And the third question, post that also I want to retain a specific fund which can be transferred or transferred to my future generation. That is another goal which probably he would like to create. And for that person, the planning is to be different. So in short, this planning of asset allocation is a person specific. Okay, it's not a it's unilateral for a specific class specific. Okay, so we have to understand that and logically understand the need, understand the requirement, understand the criteria of which he would like to follow. At the same time, we have to also see and understand the risk which he is ready to take and create. So in first case, which I said, his inflow is enough to maintain his lifestyle. That means, to my mind, he has and can take a risk, and the asset allocation can be different. He can very well go and invest and see that his returns can multiply much larger way. But a person who doesn't and wants to feed his lifestyle also from this particular kitty, then we have to go conservative, and the planning has to be different. So that's how it is, and one should understand that each unique plan is uniquely designed for a person-specific requirement rather than class-specific.